a really cool doorbell that has dual camera and built-in battery. Let's check out this box. Let's check out the content. I'm excited. Check this out. Here it is. Dual camera and the doorbell ring button right here. And the other cool thing, the battery that's behind it. Look at this. So easy to take in and out. Make sure that you never run out of juice because this battery will last you an extremely long time. Super easy to install on any wall. We will be installing it a little further by the gate in our driveway so people can ring the doorbell and get the gate to open if we desire to. And we'll be able to have a two-way conversation with whoever comes at our gate. We'll be able to see them from head to toe. And all that in beautiful color, 2K, even at night. Not that green, grainy stuff. Color. And finally, yes, it pairs with home bases and things like that from Eufy. But if you don't have any of those, and you want to pair it with your Alexa or Google Assistant, you can do that as well. A gorgeous piece of tech with a bunch of security features. I cannot wait to install it.